What's up, YouTube? Back in the garage, playing with the Falcon again. So, we're doing a radiator upgrade. Ooh. So, 63 Ford Falcon with the original 2-core rusted all piss radiator. So, I got with the car one of these eBay specials here. 3-core, showed another video. How to be creative with the hosing here. And down there. But hey, it holds water. So let me cut to another video and show you what it looks like. So like I mentioned, I had to be creative with the hosing. This is the hose I had left over. Doesn't leak. Yay. Then I go buy this hose that does a squirrely curly Q. But it is got that wire in it, and so it won't compress. And then a quick overflow bottle. So I had to put the fan front. eBay special, probably 80 watt, maybe 1,000 CFM since it's 14 inches. I'll probably order something bigger. Kind of got the relay semi set up right now. Going from there, had it will not fit with the factory fan. As you see how close those bolts are. Really close. The old guy here that had a little 12-inch pusher, well, the core's all rotted out. So there's 30 passages times 2, 60 rows. I'm going to say, you know, at least 20 of them are plugged, so explains why it overheats. Plus there was some definitely some creative work down here, patching it, whatever they were doing. Yeah, definitely not happy. So yeah, those cores are pretty plugged up. So like I said, went through and got the radiator up, but I am going to order a new fan because just idling. I think with my little Harbor Freight infrared thermometer, I'm seeing like 180-ish at the thermostat neck. And with the fan on, it doesn't get any lower. So I don't know if that's really going to be kosher or not. Got the wipers working, but the blades are fucked. So got towels on them just in case I hit the button. And then the whole dash split back together. So I got lights, wipers, and even a working cigarette lighter. Turned out that the new cigarette lighter, the back unscrewed, and I was able to screw in the original, and it fit. So I have a working cigarette lighter, and all the lights work on the dash and even the horn, but the battery's unplugged, so that doesn't work, or won't honk right now. And then that's about it. I flipped this horn around, made a ground wire for it. Factory wire plugs right in, and yeah, looks like I'm going to order a Jegs special fan. Flows 2,525 CFMs. And with that much CFM, 225 CFM on a 14-inch fan, I think that should be enough to keep this thing cool, because I was reading a couple other ones where they were talking about 2,200 CFMs good for 220 horse with air conditioning, or 250 without. But that was as a puller, so don't quote me on it. But hey, a factory radiator is kind of expensive. I already had this, and that new fan should be like 60 bucks. So as you can see, that is a much bigger motor. Then I got my little fan control here. Stabbed it down there. Got rid of the voltage regulator. Then I cleaned up the positive battery. Cleaned that up. Got my relay mounted there. And so far so good. Where'd my thermometer go? Harbor Freight Special here. So I'm at 190. 90. So I turned it up kind of high. There's the fan. So I also added this nice little switch here. Just in case the thermostat stops working, I can still turn it on. Here's my little hazard button, fan switch. So, there we go. Got our fan, we got a relay, got our thermostat control, got a spare fan switch under the dash. I wired everything so the ground is a trigger. That way, the wire ever gets rubbed through, switch breaks, whatever, it goes to ground. It's not going to arc shit out. It just clicks a relay. So, I guess a little eBay radiator with an aftermarket even pusher fan. Geez, what the hell was that company called? Performance Race Core or something? It was a $58 fan. I haven't driven it, but as you saw, it dropped the temp like 20 degrees just flicking that thing on. Now as for my little thermostat control here, I might just go buy a better one because that was an eBay special. It's a little hokey. I've had some issues with it where I had to modify the cover because the cover was hitting the little expanding filament, not letting it actually click on. But hey, that's what you get for 20 bucks. But once again, radiator's in. I'll take it for a drive tomorrow. You know, want to get this thing set up for the 4th of July. At least that way I can cruise it. Like I said, wipers work. Hazards, now it has hazard lights. Now it actually runs cool. Might actually be able to drive it up and down the hill. Because like to go visit, you know, take the kids to visit grandma. It's like an 80-something mile drive. And it's uphill on the way back. So, like, subscribe, hate me, whatever. Got any questions, hit me up. I answer pretty quick. You guys take care. Happy 4th.